So this is the first part of the Geometry Unit 2 Quiz 1 review. This video is going to cover the first part, which we have here, where it's talking about, the variable, coefficient, constant, exponents, finding the various parts of the polynomial. And then we'll go through the second part, sorting the polynomials in the appropriate box. That'll be this video only. So the first part is a variable. The variable, remember, is any letter that is going to represent any type of number that we have. And in this case, our variable is x. Okay, coefficients, remember, are the numbers in front of those variables. So we have a -2 and a 5. Constants are our numbers that do not have a variable. So the only number that doesn't have variables are 13, but you got to take the sign that is also there, so -13. And then our exponents, remember, our exponents are the numbers that are being raised to. So we have x to the second, so that 2 is an exponent. And then we also have this x, and it is actually raised to a power of 1, so 2 and 1. How many terms are there? Well, that's 1 term here, 2 terms here, 3 terms. This is a 3-termed polynomial. Okay? So if we, looking at the next part here, that asks us to now classify the polynomial. So these are all examples of polynomials. Now they're asking you to classify, all right, which ones are monomials? Remember, mono means 1 term. So I'm looking for a polynomial that has no addition or subtraction in it. So as I scan across, the only one that has no addition or subtraction is the -7y. Now when we're looking for the next term, binomial, okay, bi means 2, okay, like bisect. And 2 terms means that there's 2 terms separated by an addition or subtraction. So here, 16 minus 4z, well, there's 2 terms. -4c minus 5c, there's another 2 terms. And this one here, -7a plus 3. So this is another 2 terms. So we got 16 minus 4z squared, and then -7a plus 3. In doing this, I made a realization here. I wasn't paying very close attention to this first one here, this -4c minus 9. Because if you look at that, those are actually like terms. So this actually can simplify the negative sign 9c, which actually makes this a monomial. So that can't happen, so you got to be careful there. Even I missed that one. That's okay, as long as you recognize it at some point. The third grouping we're going to do is trinomial, which means 3, as in triangle or tricycle or anything like that. So that's the remaining ones. 4w squared plus 28w plus 49, and x squared plus 7x plus 12. So those are our 2 trinomials, having 3 terms in there. Anything over 3 terms is just referred to as a polynomial. We do not have a special name for it. The next videos will go over the simplifying and other parts.